Hi folks, we've been busy researching acoustic drum sets to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps so that you can jump straight to the acoustic drum set that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what acoustic drum set you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best acoustic drum sets. The fifth product on our list is the Ludwig Accent Series. The Ludwig Accent Series complete drum set is a 5-piece acoustic drum set with an eye-catching red finish. The red foil finish shines against its black and silver accents, making it an excellent addition in the studio or on the stage. It comes with a bass drum, a floor tom, 2 rack toms, a snare drum, a crash cymbal and hi-hats as a complete set. You also get a bass pedal, making this set playable right out the box without further modification. The drum stands are adjustable and have a tripod design, making them stable and easy to store when not in use. The drums are durable, so you won't have to worry about them when playing or in transit to a gig. With a total weight of 105.65 pounds or 47 kilograms, the Ludwig Accent Series feels solid in use due to its high quality construction. Here's something you should know before buying this drum set. Some users note that the cymbal stand has a plastic top nut that could be more durable. If you're looking for a beginner to an intermediate level acoustic drum set with an affordable price tag, the Ludwig Accent Series is an excellent option. The fourth product on our list is the Gretsch Drums Bronze Sparkle. The Gretsch Drums Bronze Sparkle is a 3-piece drum set with reliable construction. It features a mahogany build with metal accents and a metal stand with rubber feet to keep your drums stable and your floors scratch free. The floor tom is 16 inches or 40 centimeters and the rack tom is 13 inches or 33 centimeters. The toms have a powerful attack that sounds excellent when playing rock genre. This is fantastic, especially given the size of the toms. The bass drum is 24 inches or 61 centimeters. You'll love how it projects a rich sound that any drummer will enjoy. The Gretsch Drums Bronze Sparkle set also comes with cymbals. This means that you'll be ready to play punk rock, jazz and other genre right away. The finish is directly painted onto the drum wood. The name Bronze Sparkle doesn't deceive, as this drum set really shines under stage lights. Here's something you should know before buying the Gretsch Drums Bronze Sparkle. Some users note that the side of the toms is less durable than they'd like it to be. If you're looking for a 3-piece acoustic drum set with a fantastic look and a powerful sound, take a look at the Gretsch Drums Bronze Sparkle set. The third product on our list is the Pearl EXX725C. The Pearl EXX725 is a 5-piece standard acoustic drum set for musicians on an adventure. This sleek drum set comes in jet black or pure white colour options. It features a superior shell construction that uses a blend of poplar and Asian mahogany, which helps deliver loud volume and a sustained low end. The playing experience with this drum set is solid because of Pearl's Opti-Lock suspension system. This 3-way tom mount keeps your drums stable and allows them to resonate without wobbling. The EXX725 set comes with a bass drum, snare drums, tom-toms and cymbals. Pearl also includes metal stands with a tripod design on the bottom for easy storage and transportation. It also comes with the 930 hardware set, including a chain drive bass drum pedal. Here's something you should know before buying the Pearl EXX725. Some users may dislike that it takes around an hour to set up and tune these drums. If you're looking for a professional quality acoustic drum set at an affordable price, the Pearl EXX725 is a solid choice. The second product on our list is the Mapex Saturn Evolution Workhorse. The Mapex Saturn Evolution Workhorse is a 5-piece acoustic drum set with premium tech that any musician will enjoy. It maintains the classic Saturn sound and adds a contemporary twist. Mapex integrates the hybrid shelled system, which uses a blend of maple and walnut to give you excellent projection, increased resonance and excellent sustain. The toms and kick drums boast Mapex's sonic clear bearing edges. This lets the heads sit flatter and make superior contact with the shell. You'll notice that you'll get better seating and a powerful and rich sound. It also allows more precise tuning, which is easier to achieve with just a few tweaks. Musicians will also get a wider tuning range, perfect for those who enjoy lower frequencies on the tom and kick drums. If you're a powerful drummer, you'll love that Mapex gives the drums sonic saver hoops. These hoops enhance the natural tone of your instrument and are also incredibly durable. They weigh 1.5 pounds or 0.7 kilograms each, so they can take a beating without getting warped. Finally, the Halo mounting system is a unique under-lug line suspension system, increasing isolation and allowing your drums to resonate more freely. Here's something you should know before buying the Mapex Saturn Evolution Workhorse. It's quite a costly upfront investment for this drum set, but in our opinion it's still excellent value. If you're in the market for an acoustic drum set that will give you a ton of bang for your buck, the Mapex Saturn Evolution Workhorse is a wonderful choice. The first product on our list is the Yamaha Stage Custom Birch. The Yamaha Stage Custom Birch is an acoustic drum set that's perfect for gigging musicians. First off, Yamaha maintains the classic look that novice and pro drummers love. It features a lug design and 5 colour finish options that look fantastic on stage. There's cranberry red, natural wood, raven black, honey amber and pure white. This Yamaha drum set has a 100% birch construction, giving it a beautifully warm and punchy tone. The shell also accounts for the maximum rumble, perfect for powerful drummers in the rock genre. This acoustic drum set's durability shines in its shell-mounted hardware. There are triple flange hoops that won't dent with contact and rigid lugs. Yamaha includes improved YESS tom mounts, giving you lightweight yet solid positioning without added bulk. This mounting system provides musicians with increased resonance and a longer sustain. There are also die-cast claw hooks with rubber insertion plates that help decrease noise. Finally, the Yamaha Stage Custom Birch has excellent bass drum legs with rubber stoppers to keep your drum stable and your floor scratch-free. Here's something you should know before buying the Yamaha Stage Custom Birch. Some users aren't fond of the sound of the snare drum. The Yamaha Stage Custom Birch offers fantastic value, which is why we've put it in the top position. Beginners and pros alike will enjoy this acoustic drum set. And there you have it folks, the 5 acoustic drum sets that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, check out this one on the best tabletop drum kits on the left, or this one on the top 5 drum microphones for 2021. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.